Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how to get forged steel without the need of any skills or a crucible and 7 days to die. So to begin, first of all, the forged steel can be used for many things like the gun safe or anything that you see inside of here. To begin, first of all we'll need to craft some building blocks like these, which cost 2 wood to craft one of them. And also we'll need to have a wrench with the highest possible level. And also you can use some skills like the salvage operation skills inside of the perception tab to increase the yield of the forged steel that you get, but it is not necessary. Now what you need to do, go to a city and find these big lamps, and using these blocks just build 5 blocks high towards it. And once you're here, just go ahead and disassemble the lamp. And as you can see, you'll get some forged steel, some iron and electrical parts from it. And this is pretty much all, how to get the forged steel early without any skills or a crucible in 7 days to die. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.